Okay, this is Monica, this, me, I am Monica James. I'm doing an unboxing video of the Micheal Kors Rhea backpack. Love her. Picked her up today, ordered her yesterday, picked her up from John Lewis. Ooh, you can see, box is already open. Yeah, the box is already open because I was on the phone and I didn't realise. Yeah, I'm going to do an unboxing video. So, yeah, so that's that. Let's get to it. Let's unbox this Pewter. I wish I didn't pop it open now, but hey ho. So, this is the receipt for it from John Lewis. It's a Rhea zip Micheal Kors MD backpack in Pewter. Do you know what colour that is? I ain't gonna tell you till you see it. And I paid £157.50. Hell yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm not paying £315 for a bag. So I picked it up from Blue Water, my local store. Yeah, you can see all of that. It's not got like personal details on there or anything. Apart from my name, Monica James. So let's get the bag out of the box. Ooh. Just stop with that stupidness. Oh, okay, cool. So, just need to let you know I have already taken the bag out, and then I was like, oh my god, I need to do an unboxing video. So, yeah. So let me just take it out. Kind of wrapped it as best as I could. But there's another sticker. So, I don't know. I did a previous unboxing video because I bought a Micheal Kors gold studded bag, but it's not the studs that's at the bottom, it's like cut out stars, and I was like, listen, this is not the one for me. So I had it for about 6 days or something like that, looking at it, and I was like, no, this is not the one for me. Yeah, so let me just take it out of here. Out, and then a little bit of wrapping. You can even kind of see the kind of colour. Alright. So, put you all in there. See, straps. I took one off and I was like, oh yeah. So, we just pull that and pull that one. Put all the rubbish in there. Back in. Comes to protect the bag. Oh my god, it's so soft. It's so soft. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Very, very happy with this. It's not too much. It's not like a in-your-face silver bag. It's just... It's nice, man. Look, this is the bag I'm using at the moment. Very, very similar in size. And I've already done an inbox? Not unbox. I've already done a what's in my bag with this one because this is the bag I'm currently using. But I like this one. I chuck it about and it's black. I don't need to worry. But what I do need to look at is actually the stress. No, it's actually holding up quite well. So I put quite a lot of stuff in it. Alright, cool. So back to this one. Very, very happy. Love this. Got the little pocket. And this is quite little compared to this one. Let me see. Oh, it's near enough the same actually. I'll just put little bits in here. But instead of having the bits that I do in here, I'll just have them in this pocket. Fabulous. So that's it. Pull this flap down. I haven't touched the inside, so you will actually see what it looks like. See? You can see. I don't know if you can see that. It's got the Micheal Kors linings. It's Micheal Kors, and I like this. The older one was more like this. MK. I don't. That looks tacky to me. I don't like that. I like Micheal Kors. It's very nice. Oh, where's my lipstick that I don't wear? Not that often anyway. You see my face? This is me. This is how I am. I'm not like a makeup person. I mean, I am from time to time, but not all the time. I've got other things to do. So the only issue with this bag, once again, is this yasser. So let's take all this rubbish out. Rubbish, and then there's the dust bag. I'll show you that in better detail in a hot minute. More packaging. Oh, hot damn. It's a lot of recycling for me, boy. Wow. Yes, I'm happy. Happy. Oh, and it's soft. I like it. But yeah, alright. My bugbear, but I will deal with it, is the opening. The opening to the back is just, it's so tiny. I think when they make a new one, this here should be a little bit further down on either side, so it can open a bit better. But you know what, it's still, I just have to kind of mash up the bag a little bit, but still, I like it. So it's just like all the other Micheal Kors. It's got a pocket here for the tablet when I'm going out and about with my daughter. It's got a zipped pocket. So, ooh, what's that? Oh, Micheal Kors card. This is, I'm assuming, how to take care of the bag. Stick it in the washing machine and in a tumble dryer and it'll be fine, innit? Ha ha! No. Yeah, so it says here, handbag and small goods. Your handbag is made of beautiful leather or suede, tanned in the traditional method in order to maintain its natural beauty, soft and feel. Keep away from prolonged, intense sunlight, water, heat and permanent dyes. La-di-da-di-da, all that additional stuff. Colours may dye and transfer, dyes may transfer onto the material. Yeah. I love her already. She's beautiful. So, inside that zipped pocket, there was that little take care card. And then we've got a couple more tags here. Rhea Zip MD backpack in Pewter. And then there's another one, a tech-friendly handbag. Fashion meets function with this chic handbag, specially designed with a padded interior to fit most laptops and tablets. Boy, my MacBook is not fitting in on my Mac's downstairs. My Mac is not fitting in here. My Mac is a 13 MacBook Air. It's a 13-inch. It ain't fitting in here. It's not fitting in here, but whatever. I like this. It's got. Ooh, actually, ooh. Okay, so it's got like 2 pockets. One pocket there. I don't know if you can see that, and another pocket here, right next to it. But then it's got. On the pocket of the pocket, there's another pocket, and there's another pocket on that side. I wonder what I'm gonna stick in there. Sweets. No, I'm trying to lose weight. Actually trying to lose weight, so yeah, that's a no-no. I've got this thing, yasser. This is a one of them. I'm gonna bust this thing, you know. Let's see if I can take it off. Cause I see mama suffer. Yeah, it is detachable. Alright, pop that. So yeah, little keyring thingy. Keyring that's attached to the bag. I like the fact that it's detachable, you know? I really like the fact that it's detachable. Hey, this is the bag star, I love it. Absolutely love it. I really like that. Yeah, so got a couple more tags. Might as well take them off. No. Get off the bag! I'm fat with the bag already. Oh no, I'm so happy with this. And I'm happy that it's leather. I'm gonna use it and use it and use it. I love it and love it and love it. So let me see. Ugh. Take off the tags, just a little pewter tag. Oh, I'm so happy I didn't go to Bista. Oh yeah, I'm happy. I feel like I'm just mashing up the poor bag. So let's take off this. Doesn't even want to come off. Oh, this ain't going nowhere, stuff. Love this. So that's this side. Yes. Oh, see, I know I forgot one. Another one. I love the hardware. That feels solid, man. Oh, you can do it with one hand. Oh. Oh, one hand, easy. One thing I've noticed with this one, it's a bit, doesn't fully, one hand is a problem. So no, just imagine, I'm just paying for my stuff. I just need to open it real quick and close it. Yeah, man, I'm feeling that, feeling it. So let's just take off. Just feeling like the functionality of the bag. Hey, hey. No, I'm happy. Happy with this. So let's yes. Oh yeah, no, I like that. I like not really going around the sides too much. Yeah, man, I like that. Sweet's going in there. Yes. So this is it. The Micheal Kors unboxing. Oh mate, no, I'm happy. I'm happy. So what I am going to do is quickly buckle it. I press rewind now. Wait, I can see myself going to France. Oh, I like it. I'm putting it on the second buckle. Let's see how that fits on my body. Yeah, she's fine. She'll be mine. Press rewind. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that, my no bottom. But anyway, oh, yes. Very happy. Very, very happy. So I'm going to move. Oh, oh. Oh no. I'm just in love. It's not like... It's nice, like, ooh, this is nice, but it's not like, oh my god, it's like, it's not too much, it's just not in your face. Like, it's got like the little studs, I don't know if you can see that, and stud on there. Oh my god, my nail polish is awful. On the hardware, it's got Micheal Kors on one side. On all this like silver hardware, it's got Micheal Kors on there. Lovely leather. It's just so, it's so pliable. It's so, it feels lovely. Oh my days, I'm so happy. Anyway, that's it. That's the unboxing of the Micheal Kors Rhea backpack in Pewter. She's fine, she's cute and she's mine. Yeah, so that's that. Sit there and say hello.